Room tour. So we're here now in Mövenpick JR. What's that? It's the washroom. There's a bathtub. This is a sink. And there's a big mirror. And this is the toilet. What's this? What's this the other one? Oh, this is the shower. Amazing. Yes, later, okay? And then we say hi to Papa. There's a window. Later, Primo will and Mama will have a bathtub. Yes, okay. Next is the room. This is the cabinet. We have here a mini bar. Yes, for later, Pim. A small fridge. Okay, let's close it. It's a small fridge. And then we have here water. Elementary, and then we have coffee. Elementary coffee. Okay, Pim, let's close. Pim, let's close. TV, another mirror, and there's the bed. Ah, nakahansok pala. So there is the bed. Then we have the balcony. The view, Atlantis Royale. This is the Primo, so kuliting. And that's the Papa. Okay. Bye.